How to get free TEMU credit. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get free TEMU credit. For this, you want to open the TEMU app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have opened the application, make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want free demo credit, then you want to tap on the U button at the bottom of your screen. Here, you have the Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, you will have different ways on how you can earn credits. You have different games and events that you can participate in to earn credits. You have the option of Sign in Temu to claim your daily rewards. Tap on the Get Now option for that. Now you want to follow the instructions and get these free items. There is also another option that is redeem credit. With this, you can redeem up to $200 credit. Tap on just pick them up option over here. Here it says click and start to get your Temu credit. Go ahead and tap on the start option. Now, over here, you want to refer new app users to get more tickets and coins. Here it says that you want to refer your friend with a link, then spin the wheel to earn coins. Then you want to redeem your credit over here on Temu, and in this way you can get free credits. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.